Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. In this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021. The third Sudoku in this additional will be number 2152. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle, boys and girls. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, let me see. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then, between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Then, do we need to compare? That's the question. I think so. Yes. This column and that column. 001111 000011 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku with 1 comparing of the columns. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.